The Mustang GTD has set a new record on the Nurburgring. It beat its previous record and it surpassed a very incredible Porsche that recently passed the GTD. Hey guys, I'm Austin. Welcome back to the Speed Phenom YouTube channel. If you guys are new here, I personally have a Mustang GTD on the way and we love going to the racetrack. We have our own track day company too, where we rent out tracks and allow people to come out and enjoy their car on the track. So if you guys are interested in doing that, just go to speedphenom.com. Our next track day is coming up at Big Willow Raceway. New ownership has bought the track, so this is going to be a really cool opportunity for us to really show you guys the track in its old state, because a lot of changes, I believe, from what I'm hearing, are going to be happening to that iconic racetrack. I'm excited to see what is coming. But also, don't forget, guys, the Mustang GT giveaway is live. So anything you pick up on speedphenom.com gets you 150 times entries per dollar spent for this promotional period. That means hats or track day tickets give you automatic entries to win this Ford Mustang GT. I'm so excited, so happy to be able to give you guys this opportunity to win a Ford Mustang GT. So hopefully one of you watching this video will take the keys. Hurry up, guys, go to speedphenom.com. The giveaway timer has progressed very far. Get entered now. Oh yeah, and almost forgot, you can actually schedule now your PPF installations straight off speedphenom.com or buy your own pre-cut PPF DIY install kits for all makes and models. We have everything listed on the site. You can scroll down, filter by your car, and schedule or buy your own install kit so you can install it yourself maybe. So if you guys need any paint protection film, give us a call at 760-496-8607. If you're not familiar with what PPF is, it's a clear film that goes over your car, your original paint, and protects it against rock chips and other environmental hazards that your vehicle impacts on a daily basis on the road or on the racetrack. No matter what car you have, we'd love to take care of you, not protect it, so you can enjoy it with that peace of mind. So guys, back to the main content of today's video. We got to go over this new Mustang GTD's lap time. It has passed the 911 GT3. Just recently, Porsche brought out the new generation version of the 911 GT3 equipped with the manual transmission. It actually beat the Mustang GTD's time by less than a second. It's just crazy how a 500 horsepower manual Porsche GT3, not GT3 RS, was able to beat the Mustang GTD's lap time. Well, Ford, obviously being the way they are for performance, they wanted to get back out there and beat the GT3. So they've done it, and I want to get your thoughts and impressions regarding this lap time. Before we go any further, big shout out to Porsche, because to even go sub 7 minutes in a 500 horsepower car is crazy, let alone a manual car with no DRS. Can you believe it? It's not even like a $200,000 car. You know, is it a $200,000 car now? It is. The GT3 is. They were less years ago. My brain sometimes gets stuck in like a time capsule because I feel like all these new cars keep coming out so fast. I remember the good old days when these things were all cheaper, but everything is more expensive now. Let me show you what is going on with the Mustang GTD lap time. Here is straight from Ford, their YouTube video. They're showing off how the Mustang GTD is now ready for production. Official Nurburgring tuned chassis, ABS, aero suspension, and more. It's ready for customers, so deliveries will be happening very soon, and that's the new lap time, guys. And I love this screenshot. I'll pause it right here. They just showed how the Mustang GTD passed the manual GT3. You see these two Porsches right here? So it passed these two Porsches. On top, they barely showed us the GT3 RS. That's funny. That's really funny. So it has passed the GT3. So that means the top cars on the Nürburgring for a production car are now the AMG GT Black Series, the Porsche 911 GT3 RS, and this car, the Mustang GTD. So has it lived up to your expectations? Has the $300,000+ car lived up to your expectations? I never would have thought we'd ever have a Ford Mustang going to the Nurburgring to put down a lap time like this, to go head-to-head against Porsche on their home turf. That's crazy. That's honestly crazy. And I love these clips right here. If I turn the video back on, we can see their instant reactions with the team showing off the 6:52 lap time. And now it's engineered for production. It's ready to go. Go like hell. Get it? Because that's what they call it, green hell, which is the Nurburgring. Mustang GTDs will finally be hitting... Was I going to say the dealership lots? No, that's not what happens. These cars get delivered to your house. So people will be taking delivery of their Mustang GTD soon. I know for a fact the Mustang GTD is going to be very fast on tracks with a large, fast straightaway, for sure. At the same time, on tighter tracks, I think the reason why this Porsche GT3 RS is still faster or has the advantage is, first, it weighs about 1,000 pounds less. Secondly, with that rear engine platform and having such an advanced chassis, it has a lot of advantages. It's a physically smaller car too, with a very short wheelbase. The Mustang's a pretty big car. The Porsche, at least in my opinion, is able to be chucked very fast. I've driven the GT3 RS on a variety of different occasions, on different tracks. It's a very just progressive car, and with all this suspension tuning, with the dampening, the rebound, you can really dial in that car. The Mustang GTD has an extremely advanced suspension system, inboard suspension, but it's a bigger car. So I think it's got a disadvantage in all those hairpins. I do think the Mustang probably gained a lot of time on the massive straightaway on the Nurburgring. The question I have for you guys is this. Why do you think the GT3 RS still is faster? It's got 300 horsepower less. 300. 2 zeros there, not one. Is it simply because the balance? The aero? They both have DRS. The Mustang has wider tires. They have the same Cup 2R Michelin R compound tires. It must be something about the way these chassis are inherently set up. Let's be honest here. The Mustang chassis was not developed with the same mindset initially as developing the 992 Gen Porsche 911 chassis. It just wasn't. The Mustang you can get for $40,000, $50,000. We've had the same chassis for the GT500 and the GT350. So what I'm saying here is, for them to make a car that can be so affordable, be this fast, is very impressive, because I think there are inherent limitations with one chassis versus the other, because the Mustang still has like steel in the chassis overall, these Mustangs. The Porsches, I believe, are aluminum. There's a big difference there. I want to know your thoughts. I'm very pumped and very excited. Congratulations to the Ford team. You officially have done it. You got America in the top tier bracket at the Nurburgring. Oh, I forgot one other car. The AMG Black Series. No, not Black Series. The AMG Project 1. I am pumped, guys. So stay tuned for more with my Mustang GTD order. Don't forget, guys, go to speedphenom.com right now. Get entered to win the Mustang GT. This is a 7th gen Mustang GT, same gen as the GTD. It's got all those advanced screens and tons of really cool features that mark the greatest generation of Mustang GTs yet. Anything you pick up from track day tickets to merchandise and gear on the website gets you automatic entries into the giveaway. So make sure to get involved right now. If you guys need any paint protection film, ceramic coating, window tinting, or more, make sure to give us a call at 760-496-8607, and you'll reach our SPF HQ here on the beach of Carlsbad, California. We have some really cool cars in the shop right now. I'm excited to share with you guys more behind the scenes on Instagram at Speed Phenom Film for everything going on here inside the shop. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please hit the like button. It really does help me out. And subscribe for much more great content coming out your way. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss a single video. I'll see you in the next one.